My brother, his friend, and also my brother's son came with us on this trip. It is the first real test of my new 2021 Toyota Prado, and I really want to test to see how capable a Prado is straight off the showroom floor. We explored the Elim Beach area, and what we found there was way better than what we expected. The roads to Elim Beach are all well maintained, and this campsite is easily accessed by large vehicles or vehicles towing caravans. It is worthwhile stopping off at Cooktown for a meal at one of their many food establishments. There is a lot of history in this small town, with informational plaques scattered throughout the esplanade and on the jetty. I recommend getting fuel before leaving Cooktown, as there aren't many opportunities to get fuel between Elim Beach and Cooktown. Once you get to the Elim Beach area, you'll need to travel on the sand for about 600 meters to get to the campsite. However, the sand that you drive on is shaded by trees, so the sand isn't as aggressive as you'll see later in this video. Certain vehicles may choose to lower their tyre pressures, but everyone in our convoy got through fine at full pressure, even Davide and his Mitsubishi Lancer. The next day we attempted to go to the coloured sands, but the tide was high and had cut off the track. Instead we went the opposite direction up towards Cape Bedford. There is some nice beach driving to be had before attempting the hill we got stuck on. If you're exploring these areas, I'd recommend setting your tyre pressure to somewhere around maybe 12 to 14 psi, as I had mine at around 20 to 22 psi, and that was far too firm for the soft sand around these parts. Okay, we're stuck.
Yeah, should have been in.
Okay, we got the rear locker is on too.
Yep, you're bogged.
Okay, I think we've got to go back. Let's go.
No, get the max tracks, I reckon.
You reckon we're completely bogged?
I don't think so.
Maybe you could go back and see, but yeah, just go backwards. Yeah. Just accelerate now, just go slow though. Don't just go slow, like start slow and then accelerate harder now, slower, slowly and steadily. More accelerate.
Nah, it's too. Come on.
You can do it!
Keep going.
I got my foot almost flat, boys.
That's it.
Yes, nice one. There you go.
Momentum.
I'm trying.
We got it. Keep it going, it'll go.
I'm going.
It'll go. Keep it going. You'll be right.
Maybe a bit sideways.
Yeah, just go up the side a bit to bite in. To the...
Nah, it's not gonna have it, boys. I'll try low. It's not gonna have it. I'll try low.
Yeah.
Should be able to
Oh, nah. Nah.
That's right, we use the max tracks.
He's not gonna make it this far just like that.
So the front was actually enough. Should we put any in the back?
No, I reckon that's good. What we could do is put another, extend it.
Yeah.
Like extend it out. So it gives you
Get another two.
He's bogged again.
Yeah, go. You're on the max track. These things are good, man.
All the adventures. I got every bit of it.
How good's that?
I got every bit.
Oh, nice, dude. Good job. So, yeah. Oh.
We folded the mirrors.
Oh well.
These probably go to the beach, I'd say.
Let's go to the beach, eh?
It's very narrow there.
I'm getting nervous because the deeper we're going,
It's very narrow there.
I reckon we go left. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we know that left is to the beach, right?
Yeah.
We know that. I think right's just going to keep taking us around the cape.
The unknown.
Cool.
Oh, how's that?
We made it.
Do you want to cast the
You don't really want to drive through the saltwater, do you?
I'll time it.
You just go through really slow.
Just wait for that wave to go.
You drove in the water.
So guys, we just finished doing quite a bit of a tricky track going to Cape Bedford, which is where we are right now, which is absolutely beautiful. I've got my brother, my nephew, and a friend over there as well. So Evan, Oliver, and Davide, they're over there. They're doing a little bit of fishing right now. And I just decided to just do a little bit of work on the car. We came up, and I would have shown you guys quite a few of the tracks that we went up and down. One of the biggest things we found was we got bogged the second we got to a bit of a hill. I pumped the tires down, deflated them to around 22 psi. That was not enough. So what I ended up having to do when we got back here anyway, we used the Max Tracks a lot, you would have seen. What we ended up doing, I used my deflator to take it down to about 15. I don't want to go much lower than that because I'm not sure if these kind of, I guess they're kind of road terrains really. They're not really designed too much for off-roading. I'm a little bit worried that they're going to fall off the bead. So I'm not going to go any lower than 15. And that's 15 probably hot at the moment. So it's probably really like something like 13 cold. You would have seen we used quite a bit of Max Tracks to try and get us out of some sticky situations. And driving down, you would have probably heard as well the horrific sound of pinstriping down my car, and you can see it too. And but anyway, that's what the car's designed for, isn't it? And you know, it'll buff. It'll always buff out. I've got my
A whole bunch of mullet.
Oh really? Mullet? I thought that was a hairstyle. It's not a hairstyle?
Fish.
It's a fish. Is it a tasty fish?
You can use it as bait.
Oh yeah? I bet it plays football. So we've got my, you can kind of see here the coloured sands through there. And we were trying to go there this morning, but note to self, not during high tide. There's no way to do it. So we're going to wait till the tide goes out, maybe later on this afternoon. The plan is they're going to do some fishing. I'm going to do some videos and some photography, take some photos, and I'm going to have some lunch and I'm just going to hang out. And it's going to be a great time. So thanks for joining us on this awesome trip that we have. And I hope that you enjoy some of the clips that I'll be including in our video today.
Just hot sand and more slippery.
Yeah.
What's the science behind that?
Less moisture.
There you go. Good speed. That one hurt my soul. Oh, this is narrow. This is very narrow, boys. All right, here we go. We're gonna have to send it a little bit, I think.
Not real pinstripes. That one doesn't sound so good to you.
It's gonna hurt.
Could have just run over that bit.
Not too bad.
They actually sound like they're doing damage too. Some of them just wipe across and some of them sound like this. It's crazy.
I hope it's like that we can.
Yeah.
Looking good?
Yep.
I really should have tracked it on my map. I would have been able to do that too. Next time.
Cool.
There's lily pads.
Oh, must be crocs in here.
Is that fresh water? Is that lily pads?
It'll be like a swamp.
That's fresh water.
Yeah, it's like fresh.
There's lily pads.
No, it's not picking up where we are at all.
Alright, the big hill it looks like.
Yeah, I think we got to go up the big hill to get
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, you like.
Good luck, everyone.
Yeah. Let's get ready.
Said it was some speed.
We'll try.
You're not gonna make. I mean,
What was that attitude, Ollie?
you will make it. You might just need some max tracks.
Fast.
Nah, it's all good.
I'm trying.
Here we go. You got it.
Yeah, you're gonna make it.
Oh my goodness.
Easy.
You will make it.
Nah, that was an easy one.
That was easy.
I can't quite. No. Oh, is it? No, this doesn't look
Oh, but we
familiar.
did see this
Yeah,
one, didn't we? On the...
No.
This isn't familiar.
There's no tracks, man.
No, this isn't it.
I knew it wouldn't be the right
We did see this
Not
one
it.
though, didn't we? On the
No.
way?
No,
Or was
we
it a
didn't go
different
here.
one? No, we didn't go
It's
here.
way
but
further to the left there.
yeah,
We need to
we
go
might have
back.
to go back. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember we were further down, closer to that hill.
Yeah, way closer.
We'll try another one. Keep an eye out.
Well, we know which way it is, but we just.
It's that way.
It's
gotta go
it's
that
a
way
left turn, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, left.
This must be the track,
Yeah.
hey?
Like we didn't have such a sharp turn.
We
though.
never took such a sharp turn though, did we?
We must have taken a different track.
But maybe
at some
I
point.
So we came from there, correct?
Mm,
Just then. Just then. Did we just go straight through here? We did, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. But I think if you go left way, it probably ends up at the right, like the same track where we came from, I reckon.
We have no other choice. We have to go this way because we just came from there, Evan, didn't we?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we had some turns over there that we didn't take.
I don't know. I don't know where we are.
oh, we'll get there. They look like well-used tracks, so
Yeah. Well,
it has to be this one because
good thing we got a full tank of fuel.
yeah.
Way up the ocean behind us.
Yeah, I can't remember this track here, to be honest.
Yeah, we're on the other side of that little mound.
Yeah,
left?
Yeah, keep going left. If we keep going left, we'll get there
I
eventually.
think
Keep going left, we're gonna end up back in the ocean.
red right away better. Maybe.
No, this is actually starting to look familiar,
Yeah.
boys. I don't know if it's.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just me, but
Yeah, we're in the right bit. Remember we kept on going sideways and I was like, woo.
Oh yeah, right. That must be it, hey?
Ooh. Yeah, I remember this.
yeah,
bit.
this
So
little.
we went this way.
Right here.
Ooh.
Yeah, right here. Oh no, left.
No.
That's dude.
Oh yeah, left. Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, there was
I
a
thought you-
track up
yeah,
there.
I thought-
That's what I was
yeah.
talking about.
Around the campfire, one of the many things we discussed was that the Prado would definitely benefit from tyres and a lift, but ultimately we still did the track and we weren't limited by the vehicle. Next week we'll be going to the coloured sands for some epic beach driving, and I'll also be showing you what the camping is like there at Eddie's camp. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next week.